Hey Fab Girls, did you know that the right dress can be one of the most versatile pieces in your closet? Not convinced? Well, watch this video and I think I'm going to change your mind. If you're new to my channel or if you're coming back again, welcome. It's so wonderful to have you here. I'm Tracy Gold. I'm a personal stylist, fashion YouTube influencer and designer, and I am super passionate about sharing my fashion tips with you that make you look and feel fabulous. Because ladies, you know what? We all deserve to look and feel fabulous regardless of our age. Now, I am a huge fan of dresses, and if you have been following me for a while, you will know this. But a lot of women feel that a dress is just for a special occasion or just for summer. Pushing it maybe spring and fall, but it gets really cold out. Well, actually, ladies, I have found the opposite to be true. Dresses can be the most versatile pieces if you get them right. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that I wear one dress. And I'm going to be focusing not only on how to dress them for different weather, but also for different occasions, so you can get a feel as to how versatile they really are. Now, let me also say that I'm a huge fan of printed dresses, and you will know this if you follow me for a while, because they are so flattering. They hide a multitude of things that make them super easy to wear. But if you need more tips on how to find your perfect dress for your body shape, the perfect length, all of that kind of thing, check over here in the card. I have done lots of videos on dresses, the perfect length, the perfect shape. I'll put the playlist up there so you can take a look and binge watch that too. Right, let's get started on how I'm going to wear this dress at least 3 different ways. First up is when it's winter, I tend to layer, and layer because I get cold really easily. I'm from South Africa, ladies, so the New York winters are a little bit of a shockaroo for me, but it really works for me when I layer this way. So I actually layer with thermal tights or leggings and even sometimes thermal tops, but I'm still able to wear my favorite dresses during the winter, which is fab. Also, I have this fabulous piece that I'm really in love with. It's my coat dress. It's also from my collection. And put this on over, it feels like I'm wearing a dressing gown because it's made of this beautiful, soft stretch fabric, but it looks really chic. Now, I have to say, I am the kind of person who likes to push the envelope when it comes to style, and I do love to mix my prints together, and I think that these mix really well. But if you want to do it in a more classic way, you could put a basic black jacket, and this will work just as well. Next up is wearing it a little bit more casually, and so this is where I like to add a little bit more funkiness to my look, and so out comes my red leather jacket. You know this one, girls, been wearing it for a long time. I'm a huge fan. It is my good basic jacket. I know, more red, rarely do I need more red, but I've had this for a while. You can see here that it gives a little bit of edginess to my look, and it can transform the look immediately. Third up is if I want to take this dress out on the town and party, and yes, I can do that too. So I put a nice pair of high heels, and this would obviously be a look for more spring, summertime, because I've got no tights on, but I can easily do the same look for winter, and it'll work just as well. So ladies, as you can see, you can have huge versatility from just one dress. So I hope that you are really inspired. Also, one of the things I just want to point out is that the 3/4 sleeve is super adjustable. Love that, because as you could see, I even put the body stocking on underneath for a further layer. So layer, take off the layers depending on the weather. And ladies, if you haven't already got my free download on how to dress taller, then you want to go to the link in the first few lines of the description in this video, and it will take you directly to the website. You can just sign up and get your free download in your inbox super quick. Ladies, I'd love to hear your questions. Please put them in the comments. Also give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the community. Take care. Till next week. Bye. It gives a nice edgy look to this dress and can